Gyronics.
Okay, so another problem for the cube. This one is very easy. We have a company that needs to manufacture a storage container in the shape of a cube, such that the length of each edge cannot exceed 20 inches due to space constraints. And the cost of constructing the container is 2.5 peso per cubic inch. So determine the cost required to build such cube-shaped container. Of course, we need to visualize the problem. So we have a cube with the length of the side, which is 20 inches. Okay, so this one is easy. Let's calculate for the volume. So we have a reference cube here. The formula for the volume of the cube is V equals A cube. And another formula for calculating the volume is if the given their problem is the length of diagonal. And of course, we'll not be using this one to our problem. Okay, so let's calculate for the volume. So we have the value of A, which is 20. So 20 cube, and that will give us 8,000 cubic inches. So this is the volume of the cube. So next is to calculate the cost of manufacturing this cube, given that the price per cubic inch is 2.5 peso. So to calculate for the cost, simply multiply the volume to its rate. Take note of this one when multiplying to the rate. So always check the denominator. For example, we have cubic inch for this unit, so the denominator must be the same. So in this way, the two unit will be cancelled out. So the remaining unit is peso. Okay. So 8,000 times 2.5 will give us 20,000 pesos. So this is the cost of manufacturing this cube. Okay, so that is the final answer. So see you on the next exercise.